25 questions. How many can you get right? I want to practice talking about what I did yesterday in Japanese.
昨日のことを日本語で話す練習をしたい。
Great. First, what time did you get up yesterday?
いいね。まず、昨日何時に起きた？
I got up at 7 yesterday.
昨日7時に起きた。
Nice. What did you eat for breakfast?
いいね。朝ごはんは何を食べた？
I ate toast and eggs.
トーストと卵を食べた。
After that, where did you go?
その後、どこに行った？
I went to school by bus.
バスで学校に行った。
What did you do at school?
学校で何をした？
I studied Japanese and talked with my friends.
日本語を勉強して、友達と話した。
Great! You told the story of your whole morning.
すごい！朝のことを最後まで話せたね。
Part 2/3. Great job. 20 more phrases to go. Can I keep going and talk about lunch?
続けて、昼ご飯のことも話していい？
Of course. What did you eat for lunch yesterday?
もちろん。昨日昼ご飯に何を食べた？
I ate curry at the cafeteria.
食堂でカレーを食べた。
Was it delicious?
美味しかった？
Yes, it was delicious, but it was a little spicy.
美味しかったけど、少し辛かった。
After lunch, did you have class?
昼ご飯の後、授業があった？
Yes, I had Japanese class at 2.
2時に日本語の授業があった。
Did you understand the class?
授業はわかった？
I understood a little, but the grammar was difficult.
少しわかったけど、文法が難しかった。
That happens. What did you do after class?
あるある。授業の後、何をした？
Part 3/3. Great job. 10 more phrases to go. I went to a cafe with my friend.
友達とカフェに行った。
What did you drink at the cafe?
カフェで何を飲んだ？
I drank coffee and studied for 1 hour.
コーヒーを飲んで1時間勉強した。
Nice. What time did you go home?
いいね。何時に家に帰った？
I went home at 7, took a shower, and slept.
7時に家に帰って、シャワーを浴びて、寝た。
Please subscribe, like, and turn on notifications.